Welcome to UNI-T Training, the UTS series comes standard with a vector network analysis feature. It is mainly used to test passive components or the reflection coefficient of an active device. Transmission coefficient tests require accessories such as calibrated parts and RF cable. At the mode menu, you can switch the working mode to VNA. Let's start with the S11 test. The DUT is a 1 GHz low-pass filter. Let's set the frequency range to be greater than 1 GHz. Here we set the center frequency to 1 GHz. The frequency range is set to 100 kHz to 2 GHz. Please note, calibration is required before testing. At the measurement setting menu, click calibration. There are 3 calibration steps. Let's connect the open circuit calibrator to an output port of the VNA. Click Open. After calibration, connect the short circuit calibration kit to the output port of the VNA. Then click Short. After calibration, connect the load calibration kit to the output port of the VNA. Then click Load. After the calibration is complete, the S11 is a 0 dB straight line. Connect the filter and the load to be measured. You can see the S11 curve of the filter. We can open 4 windows to display. In the Trace menu, select Trace 2 as the SWR and select Trace 3 as the Smith curve. Both curves are commonly used in S11 analysis. Now looking at the curve of Trace 2, you need to adjust the amplitude. Go to the Amp menu, click Auto Scale. The coordinate scale will be automatically adjusted. We can use the marker to mark the points of concern. For example, 1 GHz. At 1 GHz, the SWR is 1.14. A point can also be marked in the Smith diagram. The corresponding internal resistance and reactance can be seen. Let's look at the S21 test. Select S21 in the measurement. Because our DUT has not changed, the frequency does not need to be reset here. Calibration is also required before this measurement. The calibration of the S21 is a pass-through calibration. We access a pass-through connector between the 2 cables. then click Pass Through Calibration. After the calibration is complete, connect the filter between the two cables. The measured S21 curve can be seen on the screen. Let's look at the insertion loss with the marker. You can see at frequency ranges less than 1 GHz, the losses are low as a passband. At higher frequencies higher than 1 GHz, the S21 loss is high.